To subscribe is free.
You know, my auntie, the brown girl.
Look how much brown girl, Nylene.
You don't know junkin Karen, man, my auntie.
See, you know, Barry, you're too slow. And that with you now. You know, no speed for the girl. Them. You need to watch me for speed. Listen me now.
You want race then?
No, watch you, man.
You want race?
Watch you, man.
One best one day when you come on my shop, you go dead hungry. You never yet a fool of your yard.
Rebuke your mouth. Rebuke your mouth.
Auntie, cook the food, auntie. Cook the food. Me hungry, man.
I don't like this house. I'm not like this here for years. Here I go now. I catch you like a chula we are fire last night.
Catch who?
Long there. Show us something.
Jacko, you have to go down today. When we don't scandal and your mom and brother and sister, you have to go down.
You can't make for me dirty sister. Change your mind and make you feel like say, all of me I tell you, I know so you go. Come in say, Lord of mercy, I never say it out of my mouth. I never say it this time, so you can't cuss me tonight and say I'm going to say it. I know me say you can't have fit near your barren, I know me.
You subscribe, yeah.